Gabby, you have a cupcake in your hand.
I do have a cupcake in my hand.
Explain the cupcake to us.
It's like love in a wrapper. You know?
It's like magic with pink dye. And love, like she said. Credited to Gabby, who is mad that I stole her idea.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
That didn't do nothing.
It might help if you straighten the lighter.
Just shut up.
Are you getting a close up?
Good enough! Oh, no, it smells weird.
Eat it.